Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to cancel your booking on Agoda. So whether it's a change in schedule or a change of heart, Agoda makes cancellation straightforward and easy. So let's just go through the process. First, open your web browser and navigate to www.agoda.com. Click on the sign in button at the top right corner and enter your login credentials. Once logged in, go ahead and click on your profile name, which is at the top right corner of the screen, and from the drop down menu go ahead and click on bookings to see your bookings. Now this will take you to a page listing all your current and past bookings. I don't have any trip, I don't have any bookings, so there's literally nothing to show here, but if you do, you find them here. Now in the my booking section, where you have here, that's my bookings, or my bookings or all bookings, and the one you'll find them there. You will see tabs for upcoming, completed, and cancelled. Now on the upcoming tab, go ahead and find the booking you wish to cancel. Now click on the booking you want to cancel from this page to view its details. Once you click on the booking, look for the cancel booking option, which is typically located at the top of the booking details page or within the booking conditions section at the bottom. After clicking cancel booking, a pop-up window will appear asking for the reason for cancellation. Select the appropriate reason from the drop-down menu and click Continue with Cancellation. On the next page, confirm your decision by clicking Cancel this booking. Once the cancellation is processed, you'll see a confirmation message stating your booking was cancelled successfully. Additionally, Agoda will send a confirmation email to your registered email address within a few minutes. Before canceling, review the cancellation policy associated with your booking. Some bookings may be non-refundable or have specific cancellation deadlines. If your booking is eligible for a refund, the amount will be processed back to your original payment method. Processing times may vary depending on your bank or payment provider. For non-refundable bookings, cancellations may not result in a refund. However, you can contact Agoda's customer support to discuss your options. And there you have it. Canceling the booking on Agoda is a straightforward process. Just always remember to review the cancellation policy before making changes to your reservations. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helps you search.